Hey, it's Nathan, and I've got our next 2-minute mindset. This one is about impressions. Not first impressions, but the later ones we don't realize. Impressions are the thoughts people think about us after we're gone, and they're usually positive or negative. Think about the last person you talked to. Was it positive or negative? Now, first impressions are really important, but we can still improve the way people see us over the long term. This is key because positive impressions ensure that people will have positive thoughts when they think about us. Think about how much easier and better your life would be if people had good thoughts come to mind when they think about you. It'll help with career growth, it'll get you more friends, the list goes on and on and on. The first thing we can do is greet them well. In other words, when we first see someone, our goal should be to make them feel really, really good. It reminds me of a time when I went to visit my cousin. I got off the plane, I started walking to baggage, and when I got to the end of the hallway, there he was waiting for me a few feet away with a big smile on his face, and then he pulls out a can of Crazy String, and he sprays it all over me, head to toe, and I'm covered in this fluorescent orange neon string. And I stood there, and I looked around, and everyone was looking at me in the whole airport, and everyone started laughing, and I started laughing. And that moment left a huge impression on me. And I always think positively about that time, and I always think positively about my cousin. Now, this isn't as easy as it sounds. You gotta start small and see how it goes. Not everyone can pull off the crazy string trick. So let's get into the mindset that when we meet people, let's make them feel good right from the beginning. Maybe it's increasing the excitement in our voice, maybe it's lighting up our expression on our face, or doing something out of the ordinary to make someone smile. So write in your calendar 3 things you can do this week to greet them well, and commit to trying it. So thanks for watching, and make sure you leave us a comment below on how this is working for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell to make sure that you get in the next episode. Now give us a like, and if you know people that can benefit, make sure you share it with them. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next 2-minute mindset.